Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are in the kitchen.
Mukarango. Welcome.
Yes.
I'm trying to please my wife.
You know, he barely cooks, so today I was like, hey,
Why not?
please do your thing. So you're cooking what? You're making what?
A veg is from Nairobi, it's called mboga.
Veggies.
Yeah.
So we're just in the kitchen. We want to make ugali and some beef. So we take you guys with us, right? You see sometimes what we eat. We have Kenyan food here as well. So we're gonna make beef, ugali and cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yes.
I'll cut the cabbage. Let me show you our ugali.
Yeah.
Mom, So guys, we are cooking. Me and my wife. Today I'm the chef. The lighting is not a bit good, yeah?
Lighting is bad, eh?
The lighting is not good. But you just don't worry, bear with us. Kambogalization. This is what it's called what? Cabbage.
Cabbage.
In
Yeah.
English? Cabbage.
Cabbage. What do you really mean?
Veggies? Nice.
Be serious, eh? Veggies.
Guys, today I'm in the kitchen. Even my daughter is asking me if I know how to cook. This is serious, huh?
Nobody don't know how to cook.
Eh?
Who doesn't know how to cook?
Huh?
Who doesn't know how to cook?
Val.
In this life we are living.
Osir doesn't know how to cook. Osir. I have a friend called Val, my brother. He doesn't know how to cook, I know. Most of the time he's in the restaurant. And few hours, Fabrice Mopao.
Shout out.
Shout out to Fabrice Mopao. Yeah, jikoni, brother. Go in the kitchen. Most single men stop eating kebabs and junk food.
Sorry.
It's deadly, man. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't cooked. I think my daughter even doesn't know if I cook. Huh? Yeah. Mama Safi. Yo! You're on the road, yeah? Yo! Merry Christmas. Nakupigia. Kidogo nimeenda drive. Guys, today is it's a day for the papa of the house to cook. What do you think about my cooking?
But you're cutting cabbage.
Yeah. Is it good? Is it bad?
Perfecto.
Perfecto. I'm cooking. It's like I'm working. This is my mini job. Guys, you can see how my cabbage is. This is how I cut it. Yeah?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this is how I cut it.
So let's go. Let's wait for the
Results, yeah?
For the results now, we see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just wait and see how it will come out. And this is the ugali, they call it grease for cooking ugali. We usually use like 1.5.
Yeah.
Though the difference with this one and the Kenyan one, this one is so sweet. That's the difference.
But when you
go home, yeah?
When you go home and you eat Kenyan ugali,
and this one is different.
You feel like it doesn't taste.
Hey, Papa. Hello. I cook for you. I'm coming, yeah? Yes? Go with your food. Sit down. Way, no mare. Yeah, looks delicious. And I've just started. Can you imagine? Imagine, I've just started. Huh?
Sour bus.
Guys, you're welcome. 2 in 1. As in, I'm a chef. Where is the sauce? Maguta. You finish with peeling this one. Let's go.
Bye now.
This is just a normal day in our life, guys. You need to help your wife in the kitchen sometimes when you come back from work, you're feeling to do something, you know. It's not about all the time your wife in the kitchen. Yeah.
Yeah. Nani huyo? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Papa. Yeah, mul. Yeah. Goodbye. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Papa.
Really?
Finish this one.
Okay. But you found the mirror.
Who's lion?
And you? And me here. I thought you were cooking. What's happened? I thought you were cooking together. We were cooking together. Or you finished the cabbage. The cabbage is ready. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, Papa.